स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, a supplementary list of business for consideration in return of income tax bill 2025 and the taxation laws amendment bill 2025 both has passed by Lok Sabha has been issued now and uploaded on multimedia devices and members portal. The copies of both the bills were circulated through members portal yesterday evening after 6 p.m. Members who desire to submit amendments to these bills may do so latest by 1 p.m. If the House agrees, both these bills may be taken together. Honorable members, 21 notices have been received today on 4 different subjects under Rule 267. None of these 21 notices contain a motion drawn in proper terms as per the requirement of Rule 267 to obtain a decision of the House. Further out of these, 11 notices seek discussion on matter which is sub judice. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules as enunciated above, I am not admitting any of the notices. Tiruchi.
Rule 266, sir. Not 267, it's 266. Residuary powers, all matters not specifically provided for in the rules and all the questions relating to the detailed writing of these rules shall be regulated in such manner as the chairman may from time to time direct. Sir, our problem is, sir, even the constitution is not static. It's subject to amendments. So also with regard to 267, some ruling has been given earlier. Now you are in the chair, sir. You can give a direction which will become a ruling. We are taking up a very important subject which is burning in the country. Why don't you give allow the 267 notice? I think the learned leader of the House will not have any objection to it.
Tiruchi ji, मैंने rules को ही follow किया. I followed the rules only. Please, let us move today. Since none of I'm reading a page. Since none of the notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules as enunciated above, I am not admitting any of the notices. Please. Matters raised with permission. 0 hour. Dr. Fawzia Khan. Derek, please. Up. Nadimul Haq ji, Derek.
Sir, I'm on up.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Derek ji,
Sir, I'm on a
rule. Please. Derek ji, aap bole. Rule.
Page 12, Rule 29, list of business, sir. Bills which have 500 clauses are being listed now in supplementary business like the IT and these are serious bills, sir. This is not a gymkhana. Let us not list these bills at 11 o'clock in the morning. Once, sir, let me finish. Let me finish. Sir, एक second, sir. I'm making 2 points.
Please, आप बोले.
हाँ sir, chance तो दीजिए. I'm making 2 points on the list of business. I told you, page 29, page 12, number 29. 1, supplementary list of business with these very crucial bills like IT is a mockery of Parliament, sir. 1, 2, sir. Let me finish.
Please.
Let me finish. Starting with the leader of the opposition, we've all been saying one thing. In whatever language the government wants,
let them
discuss SIR. Let us have a discussion on SIR. Let us have a discussion in whatever language they want.
आपने जो point of order उठाया, chair has already given detailed ruling. No. Please, no. Chair goes by rules only. No, please. सदन 2 बजे तक स्थगित. The House stands adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.